Hi guys, my name is Crystal and I'm the owner of Pacific Arts Market. I just wanted to introduce you to this incredible exhibition that we have going on here right now, and that's with local Métis artist Vaughn David. I have to say this, I just found out that Vaughn is 70 years old, which you wouldn't believe because he has the spirit of a 20-year-old, and this is his first ever gallery exhibition. So I hope you can join me in just being aware of this and just in awe of what Vaughn has put together here. I am honored to have this in my gallery. I have Vaughn here and he's just gonna say a quick hello. Hi Vaughn.
Hi everyone.
Thank you.
My name is
so
Vaughn
much.
David. We're here at the Pacific Arts Market, and welcome to my Wood Wonderland.
Yes, 1450 West Broadway. Come on by, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.